We're gonna see how long it takes to get to your gate at the Hawaiian Airport from Waikiki, which is where we are right now. In the video, I'll be giving you timestamps of exactly how long it takes to do each step, and then I'll give you guys some insight of what's happening as well. We are at the Alo Palani Hotel with our luggage ready to go to the airport. Our flight is at 9 p.m. It's currently 6:32 p.m. right now, so I'll add the timestamp right there in the corner. We're about to call the Uber right now. $24.49 Uber right now. Perfect. So pick up at Lilo Kalani Avenue is where we're getting picked up. So we're finding the Uber right now. It hasn't told us how long the Uber is going to take yet. This is our experience. I know what you're experiencing is going to be different, different time of year. It's currently October 21st, so not a peak season at Hawaii. But yeah, by the end of the video, you'll see how long it takes us to get to our gates. We are going to take our time, so it's not going to be like we're hurrying or anything like that. So take that into account. I'll tell you each step of the way how long it takes to do what. So we're 4 minutes in. We found the driver. It says he's 11 minutes away. We did do the saver option, which is more cost efficient, but it takes a little bit longer with Uber. So 11 more minutes is the estimated time that we will be here at the hotel. Before calling the Uber, we did brush our teeth and get ready because there's no overnight flight. We did get some musubis from the Musubi Cafe down the street over here, so we're all set in terms of getting a late dinner and snacks on the plane and to carb up to fall asleep because we do work right when we get back. So overnight flight into a work shift. Uber is here. What time is it? 6:44. 6:44. Uber is here. Good Sienna. Alright.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Have a good night. Okay. Just got to the airport, 7:09. So it took us about 40 minutes to get to the airport through Uber. It's a lot of traffic, but we are flying Hawaiian. We are not checking in any bags, only carry-ons and personal bags. Oh my gosh. Everything says delayed. What gate are we? So we are gate number A2. Let's head to A2. Where's A2? Yeah, so I think all TSA connects.
Well, it says Portland has no remarks, so we're fine.
Oh, okay. So our flight's still on time so far. It looks like all TSA checkpoints lead to the same area, so...
9:24.
Yeah, so it's all the same terminals look like. It doesn't matter which TSA checkpoint we go to. It looks like we're going to checkpoint 1B. Oh, looks like there's no line. It looks pretty empty.
I got people working for me some days. It's kind of cold.
Alright, so TSA pretty fast. TSA was almost non-existent. What time is it? 7:08.
Not Tad Kaiser.
7:18. So it took us like 10 minutes to get through TSA. Now to the gates. Gate A2. This way. Hey, we got Panda Express.
Everything closes very early, is what I've noticed. It's only 7 o'clock.
Looks like they closed on the gates already, but that's Panda Express. Portland. Time is 9:24 p.m. Looks like it's on time still. All the restaurants are closed. It's only 7.
It's only 7?
Yeah, good thing we got the musubis. Travel tip.
Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking.
Gate A2. And the moment we've all been waiting for. The time is 7:24. So that means it took us not even an hour to get here to the gate from the hotel. And that's from before even pressing the Uber button. So yeah, so in conclusion, 54 minutes. You gotta leave your hotel at least 54 minutes before boarding, and you should be fine.